I'm going to walk into the front door here. Just have the top beams. The flooring is all subfloor. There's no flooring actually laid with carpet. Okay, I just felt a dip in the floor in the subflooring. Supposedly this room was add-on that door.
Yeah, I can see that.
This completely
Yeah, it's open.
Okay.
I just do this because
For the air and yeah.
Yeah, to keep the air.
No, I get it.
See, I mean, look, it's kind of tiny stuff they did. They took a 2x4 or like a 1x2 and stuck a piece of plywood in behind it and nailed it. And they were supposed to redo all of this. And that's their idea of what they did to the bathroom. I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's sad. It really is. It's sad.
This wall looks like pallets. Let's go in the bathroom here. So ceiling is not solid.
Yes.
Still some flooring. This is the kitchen.
Yeah, come here and look at this. This is. You can see where it burned twice. Right there and up there.
That's flooring. So flooring on the ceiling.
Yeah. It's where it burned.
There's no flooring in the house except on the ceiling.
Oh, I bought a bunch of flooring to put in the house, but I had a ton of materials that I got from different places. I went out and busted my butt to get. But everybody that promised me they were going to come by and do something never did, and I can't. You know, I cannot do it by myself. Yeah, so you can see here where it burned too. You can see where it's.
So there was a fire in the kitchen.
Oh, it burned twice. You see right up there, it burned here, upstairs, and then in the David's room.
So is this the kitchen?
Yes, this is the kitchen.
Do you cook in here?
I cook on a hot plate because we can't, the electricity wouldn't hold the 220 anymore, and it blew out the last oven that we had.
Okay.
And I was like, shh. I have a toaster oven over there, and I have like a griddle, and I have like things that I cook steaks and pork chops and chicken on. Unfortunately, this goes straight out to the outside. I mean, I put up what I could outside to block it off. And like I said, I had a bunch of stuff that I could put up, like the siding and metal for the corners and stuff. But you can see when you go outside on the front of the porch, if you look to this side on the very corner, you'll see how it's just terribly separate. I mean, it's just ridiculous. And then here, this goes straight out.
Laundry room?
Yeah, this goes straight out to the back. This is the one that they put in here.
So this goes outside?
Yeah, that's
There's
straight.
Just stuff
yeah, that's stuff just blocking it. That's all I could do.
This is a hole to the outside.
Oh yeah, it's straight outside. When you walk outside, you'll see.
Yeah, I think I actually did. This is on the back side. Yeah.
And see, this is the room that they added on. this is how they filled it in with that stuff. I mean, I have to laugh because it's just.
You guys got actual contractors.
Yeah,
sure.
This was ridiculous what they did to this man in this house because it wasn't this bad a shape.
I'm pretty sure the first tape and bed job I ever did was this bad. It was bad.
Oh no,
it wasn't.
I could probably do this blindfolded and drunk. And I don't even drink. Give me a bottle of tequila and that goes to broke. Yeah, I'm seeing everything separating. Everything's just coming apart. And you want to go upstairs?
Yes.
David, we're coming up.
Very steep
David?
stairs too.
Oh,
Be careful on the edges. They're falling
this is
through.
David. David, this is
Hi,
Amy
David.
Ramsey. Did you?
Good to meet you
Erica?
finally.
Erica.
Yes, Erica.
Hello.
Sorry to Marge.
Erica.
We're just getting damage.
It burned in here twice, correct, David? Your room also? Yeah.
From the kitchen or from somewhere else?
From over the kitchen, right? From over the kitchen up in the attic.
And it just came upstairs.
Well, it happened in the attic.
So it
Used
came
to-
down.
Used to, when I first
So
moved
this goes
here,
out to the backyard.
if you walked,
Is this the back of the house?
Yeah, that's
if you walked outside and touched the
Behind
side of the house where the kitchen's at,
Okay.
you would get shocked.
Yeah. So there's.
You would get shocked.
I believe.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, all the windows started cracking out, just busting out.
Yeah, with the foundation the way it is.
Yeah, I
That's
mean,
not surprising.
that's really sad.
now this here.
This one has quite a bit of windows.
My daughter did this.
Was she
Because-
thinking someone was coming through the
No,
closet?
because the breeze that used to come
Insulation.
through
Ah, yeah, yeah.
That
would
makes sense.
just, you know, yeah, there's
That's
no
what I did this
insulation.
plug
So,
in the Echo's house to keep the little cracks,
Mhm.
but I turned it.
yeah, there's no insulation. So,
So that's supposed to be a closet, but,
Yeah, it's a closet
but the
and
air
it goes-
comes through from the
it goes
attic.
straight
or?
into the attic. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this was my room when I first moved in here, and it wasn't this bad then either. The windows were all still intact.
Time doesn't help any.
Oh, I know.
Anything.
Yeah.
So
I used to have an air conditioner right there and a box fan right there, and all my windows were always open, and just everything. It starts turning up everything.
coming through.
These
are some crazy
What do we got here?
Okay, the kids aren't in. The kids aren't in here, are they?
Kids don't bother me.
No. I had the kids in here with the PlayStation.
It's another bedroom.
Yep.
I know. Be careful with
Your
the
feet
stairs.
don't even fit all the way on them. They're only about half the size of what they should be.
And this goes straight back into the closet. And you see where it's cracking up and real bad there, and right here too, and over there in that area. It goes straight back into the closet, and there is no support underneath the stairs.
We could tell.
Yeah, just,
We could tell.
just
Yeah.
straight stairs, and that's all they did for that.
These walls go to the outside.
Yes, this goes to where the side where the shed is, or garage, or whatever you want to call it, and this goes to the very back of the house.
Okay.
And it's pretty, as far as it goes, it doesn't look that great right here, but it's far by far the tightest room in the house.
It's by far the what?
The tightest room in the house.
Okay.
More
Like a
solid.
small. Oh.
Well, not anymore, I guess. It's starting to crack open now.
Okay, so it's the one that has the least amount of
Yeah. And-
damage. Okay.
but that's not, you know, like I said, that's see right here, over here, when you get over here to this part right here, on the outside, you can see where it's just
Panels.
destroyed, where it's just coming to pieces.
Yeah.
Like
You
that.
can see where
Look at pulling the nails out.
bottom's going in and the top's coming out.
I mean, the nails.
Stacey, is there
aren't
only
right.
one-
I mean, one side here, one side there.
There's only one bathroom, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was about to say, the roof looks
They
good.
killed the roof.
The roof
But it's
looks,
starting to, now it's coming apart too. It's not worth anything really because
but it does look like it's probably the
Yes,
sturdiest part
absolutely.
of the house is the roof.
Yep. Yeah, this was their idea of firming it up. See, like that goes straight to the wood in the bathroom.
That's the bathroom one.
And you can see kind of where it burnt. You can see where actually you can follow the trail from the electrical. But look at the electrical.
Yeah,
That's their job of electrical.
that's
We are
another-
pardon me, lucky that we're not dead and something bad hasn't happened.
Yeah. It's
Well, a
just-
couple
And
of
you can
fires
see-
is something bad.
Well, you can see where the fire went from there, and it shot right up. You can follow it right up the
Is
wall.
this? Do we have? Oh,
Yeah, this
it's
is fine.
okay. Yeah. So this is that front bedroom.
This is the bedroom that we were in last.
The one
The
with
game
kids'
room. Uh-huh.
PlayStation.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the garage usable?
Well, it was in
Wow,
better. I'll be
okay.
honest with you. This was in better shape. It has flooded and got pretty bad, but most of this happened because somebody just decided they were going to come in here over our vacation last year, and this is what they left us. And we didn't have anything in here of any value to anybody, really, But these people don't care. They don't.
I'm not too worried about the stuff. We're just
Yeah,
looking
that's
at the
really
structures.
terrible.
Yeah. It's fine.
Yeah, and you can see out here where his windows bowed out. I mean,
So that's David's room.
that's David's room.
Yep. What's that? What's the black tarp paneling covering?
That was now the other stuff right there.
Yeah.
It looks like someone tried to like
My
melt it in.
that my son did,
Okay.
but the tarpon going across, that was there when I got here.
Okay.
And this right here was
From the
this was
inside.
here when I got
That's the
here.
laundry room.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And this was here when I got here. And see how they pulled the pipe
Yeah.
out of the ground? See, they were supposed to fix all of it. Now this here's my doing because this is all I have.
To try and cover it. Yeah.
When it failed. And what happened? That's what I could do with it. See how it's coming apart? And this is what's sad. This is, see where it burned? You see where it burned all up there? So this was the new addition. This was the addition that they put on, they actually built.
The laundry room. Yeah.
And this is what they left it as. I mean, and they messed with the sewer lines and stuff like that. And eventually, as it kept going like this, it just went. And I hacked all this stuff down. Here blows my face.
Oh yeah, they always do.
And I'm old. I'm disabled. I'm really trying hard.
That's
I mean,
horrible
I really
sliding
do.
jumps.
I really tried hard. But
I guess
I just couldn't keep
they
up.
never
with
heard of measure twice, cut once, huh?
it. Hold on.
Just a break. Yeah.
Never twice that much.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, mushroom. Yeah. Be careful with the mushrooms growing in the yard.
Oh, I
especially
know,
with
my
the-
dog's gonna come back here.
Okay, because I had a chihuahua when I was a little girl
Yeah.
who got parvo from eating the
Yes.
mushrooms in the yard.
Oh, that probably is what the city's talking about.
No, we just did that.
Okay. Okay.
Like a couple of days ago,
Okay.
we went through and pulled a bunch of it out of here and put it out here so that we were going to go ahead and move it out front, and then I realized we were still a week early
Yeah.
Yep.
for bulk pickup, so we have to wait.
But that week is going to catch up on you pretty fast.
Well, we're going to put it out. We're going to put what we can out there. I don't know about this. I don't know what that is.
You think I would scare the little kids if I start banging on the wall right here? Because they're right here.